Alrighty, hey guys. Today is a beautiful December 12th. It's almost 60 degrees, but it feels a lot warmer than that. I'm actually in a t-shirt right now. But anyways, this is not my car. Actually, mine's in the shop right now, fixing the bumper. It's at school, so it's taking a little while. But I looked at my car, my brother's car recently, 2008 Ford Escape, and it looks ugly. I mean, it's just, has he ever cleaned it? I don't even know. I mean, you know, this is not me, so, you know, we're about to fix that problem. It doesn't look super dirty, but I mean, in person, there's spots, dust, dirt. See that? And it's just nasty. There's crap all over here. And we're going to go, hopefully get this thing clean. Yeah. Alright, we are almost at the River Club Car Wash here in Fredericksburg. And on this video, I'm going to be joined by my brother, Evan. And we're actually going to be going to a fairly rare car wash. It is called the Istobal M18 5-brush touch car wash. They do actually have a touch-free here, which is an Oasis Typhoon, which I did film, but the video quality wasn't very good. That didn't particularly surprise or impress me, due to the fact that it just wasn't really high quality. But this wash looks a lot better maintained than the other one. You can see it here on the left, hopefully. And yeah. So we are going to go ahead and stop and get our cameras situated. So we're gonna go ahead and stop and get our cameras situated. So we'll be back to you guys. All right, here we come. Right there is the Oasis Typhoon, and right here is the Istobal M18 car wash. All right, here is the payment thing. So here we got a bronze for 5, a silver for 8, a gold for 10, and an extreme for 12.
Please add payment for your
We're going to use the extreme.
Would you like to have a receipt?
Yes.
Please wait while your card is being authorized.
This thing looks a little junky. Oh, and
You have purchased the works wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
Oh. Roll up your, should I take your antenna off? Yes. Hopefully, we got one. Get your antennas before you go into car washes. Alright, let's see here. So it says drive ahead. Go slow because they're going to be blasters. Well, I thought they were going to be blasters. Alright, so we have go slow, go slow, go slow. Stop. Ow. Alrighty. So again, this is an Istobal M18 car wash. So what are we starting off with? Alright, so we have some Presoaked. That's some decent coverage right there. Here's our sunroof. I'm jealous. Now we're getting some tri-foam. Decent coverage. Decent coverage.
I only see 2 colors.
It doesn't always put out 3 colors of tri-foam. But yeah, there's a better look at the tri-foam right there. Blue and yellow. It's kind of hard to see much of anything going on right now. Oh, here we come with the brushes. So we have the top brush coming down, and two of the brushes. Now starting up. What is it doing? someone behind us. Now, what are we getting? This
Spot free.
How do you know? No, this ain't spot free. Actually, you might be right.
Looks like it's doing another coat of it.
Sunder's making. Oh, it actually is that a dryer? Oh wow! Now look at that.
I don't think it's gonna have any,
No. This is a crazy. Look at this. It's like inching up, getting all this water off.
Doing a good job at it.
Yes.
It's got some sort of heat sensor on it.
Oh, wow. Wonder if it's gonna do another pass, because that is so cool.
Probably gonna have a little bit of trouble getting all the water off the back window just because the back window is flat. This is mainly going down. That is really cool. I'm saying I'm where you would drive up and it'll inch up as you drive more, but itself.
No, you mean the Ryko dryers, the ones at the end that push down.
Mm-hmm.
No, those are just forced up by air. As you push through, the air kind of glides over it. Well, wow. Yeah, you can see.
There's the Istobal logo.
Or you may want to start your car
M18.
because it's about to let us go. Start your car.
Oh, there we go.
And perfect timing. That was a very interesting system, actually.
Mm-hmm. I assume you have to pay for that. The dry the
See, there's the
vacuum.
No, yeah, the vacuums aren't free, unfortunately.
So here's also some kind of a dog wash, which I think is a little strange considering that there's nobody that actually mans this store. So I may take a look at it, but
We can go ahead and take a look at the car. What do you think about that so
I
far?
think that was a pretty good wash. Of course.
Alright, so the dryers unfortunately did not get much of the water off. I mean, it's a spot for your rinse, so it should be shouldn't be a problem. But overall, it looks like it did a fantastic job on the car. I mean, I don't see the dirt and garbage that I saw earlier.
It looks great.
There's a big still there, but that probably has to be scrubbed by hand. Yeah, that's caked on there. But everything else looks pretty good. So I'd say it's a good wash. What do you think? Again, this is the River Club car wash. It's very generic, I'd say. No Google Maps or anything. I forgot it was here until we drove by it. So that was an interesting wash. So thank you guys for watching it. That is it.